Hey everybody, Brian Garcia, meteorologist with the National Weather Service, here on the roof of our building, looking over Monterey Bay on this beautiful day. But changes are on the way. Let's take a look at that now. This image is essentially the level of the atmosphere where airplanes fly. We had that big bulge over the west coast that's sliding off to the east with this big upper trough, is what we call it, sweeping into the west coast as we get into the weekend. That's going to be our rainmaker over the weekend time. So right now we're sitting high and dry, but as we get towards the weekend, we're going to see this front approach. Ahead of it, very strong gusty winds, get widespread rain across the region Saturday morning. Then once we get into late Saturday, Sunday, and even into Monday, scattered showers across the area before another front comes through on Tuesday. Behind this, it'll remain unsettled for a little while before we start to dry out, it looks like, and models are starting to come into agreement with that. In terms of precipitation, who's going to get the most? Right now, it looks like North Bay is going to get the lion's share of this. This is probably about 1 to 2 inch range, maybe a little higher in spots, lower in others. The rest of the area, maybe 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches, depending upon where you're at. Wind is another story. Strong gusty winds out of the south, 35 to 45 mile per hour gusts, especially along the coast. So make sure you secure those loose items before the strong winds occur. And of course, whenever we talk about rain, we talk about flooding. We'll be watching this to see if flooding is going to be a threat, but please be careful, be safe, and be weather ready.